Welcome to Quiz Arabic Numbers Part 1. Ready to test your skills with Arabic numbers? Let's get started. Question number 1. Which of the following is Saba? Is it 4 or is it 7? That's correct. Brilliant work. Saba means 7. You're counting your way to success. Keep it up.
Don't forget to test your knowledge. Take the free quiz linked in the description below and see how much you've learned. It's quick, fun, and totally free.
Question number 2. Which of the following is khams? Is it 5 or is it 6? Fantastic. Well done. Khams means 5. You're on a roll. Keep those numbers flowing. Question number 3. Which of the following is thalath? Is it 2 or is it 3? Amazing. You got it right. Thalath means 3. You're as sharp as ever. Keep going strong. Question number 4. Which of the following is thamaniya? Is it 7 or is it 8? Amazing. That's absolutely correct. Thamaniya means 8. Keep up the excellent work. You're on fire. Thanks for watching. Watch for Arabic videos by qualified teachers. Test your understanding with the free online quiz, link in the description. Watch more vocab videos with attached exercises for free. Until next time, take care and keep learning.